What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. I will be showing you guys how I installed this frontal today, and I got this hairstyle, and I think it's pretty cute. I think it's really darn cute. What y'all think? This hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. I'm not going to do a review on it, so if you guys have any questions on it, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll answer it that way. But I will leave all of the specs of this hair in the description below, so make sure you check it out. I did dye this hair, like color it, and I also cut it. So this is not how it was sent to me, but I mean, it wasn't that hard to do this. The back is more purple than the front, but all in all, I think this color is really cute on me. It suits me very, very well. Don't you guys think? But if y'all interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. The first thing I'm doing right now is just cutting off the excess cap. I already molded down the cap. If you guys want to see a video of me molding a cap down, I guess I can do that for y'all. And it looks a little bit ashy just because I used such a dark cap and the product that I used made it look white. But it didn't look that bad it didn't look bad at all once I put the wig on. So that's that. So now I'm just trying the wig on, making sure that the cap isn't seen too much through the lace. So I'm just going through, looking at the measurements and going back and cutting off any excess. So now I'm just taking my Fenty foundation in the color 370, I want to say. I hope that's right. If not, I'll link it in the description below. But I'm just taking my foundation and I'm putting it on the lace just so that it looks more scalp-like. Now I'm just taking some alcohol and just wiping down the areas before I apply my glue. Okay, so now it's time to apply the glue, and this is really just based on the person. If you want like a more strong hold, I would suggest maybe 3 or 4 layers of glue, but I was just only putting this wig on for this video, so I only put on 2 layers of glue. The first layer I put on, then blow dry it on a cool setting until it turns clear. Then I added a second layer and I blow dried it again until it turned clear, and then I stuck the lace to it. Trying to figure out where I stay. He was kinda bugging, yeah, I thought it was a nuisance till I looked into his eyes and started seeing illusions. When they was like a bluish, grayish, they was drawing me in. I was looking stupid, standing there, I forgot the question. I was nervous, giggling, and I was laughing a lot. He said, you know it's really cute when you do that, ma. So he slipped me his number, told me tell him when we can kick it. He said, I don't know, I'm too busy handling business. He said, oh yeah, independent girls my weakness, baby, I'm up for the challenge. If you tell me what you're thinking, I believe that. Can't believe I did that. Hit him up, he read it, and he didn't even text back. Man, what a shame. Thought things were going great, didn't even get his name, and he don't wanna blame. Yeah, that's all on him. He the type made me feel like I trust no one, like I'm so far gone, like I'll stay solo. He the type made me feel like I'm always stuck, like I'll never find love, like I got no love, no love. These boys are toxic, they so out of pocket, they Alright, now that the lace is all stuck, I'm just going to take a straight blade and I'm going to cut in zigzag motions. You don't want to cut straight across because then it's more noticeable that way. But you're going to see me change into scissors when I got to like closer to my ear, just because I couldn't really see with the blade. But you just want to make sure you cut in zigzag motions. Now I'm just taking a little bit of mousse just to get all the flyaways to lay down so I can go ahead and lay the baby hairs, and then I'm just going to tie it up with a scarf and let it dry.
Always slip me his number, told me tell him when we can kick it. He said I don't know, I'm too busy handling business. He said oh yeah, independent girl's my weakness, baby. I'm up for the challenge. If you tell me what you're thinking, I believe that. Can't believe it did that. Hit him up, he read it and he didn't even test back. Man, what a shame. Thought things were going great. Didn't even get his name, and he don't wanna blame. Yeah, that's all on him. He the time made me feel like I trust no.
Now I'm beginning to lay my baby hairs, and I'm just going to take, well, at first I took a little bit of Got2b glue just to lay the hair in the direction I wanted, and I just put it on like the root of the hair, I guess, like right there. And then I took mousse to like form the actual baby hair. And you want to use mousse because once you take your scarf off and comb them out, it gives it more of a softer look than like the hard, crunchy look, if you get what I'm saying.
Came over my way, said long time no see. Yeah, I peeps you doing your thing on TV. Remember in the classroom, sitting in the back, you said you'll always get here. Now look at you. I say your life is crazy. Look at how things turned out. You said hopefully maybe I could take you out. We sat there and started just reminiscing about old times and the good things that we were missing. I kind of fell in love for a minute. Hell was spinning. When we finished and I checked it, sent a little message, scrolled down his page, saw them boot up with another chick. Dang, what a shame, thought things were going great, didn't even get a date, and he the one to blame, yeah that's all on him. He the time made me feel.
So of course my camera died, and while it was charging, I just decided to go ahead and do my makeup. So now I'm just going through trying to make this look like something, but for some reason the left side of my hair would not would not straighten right. I don't know, so I decided to do something different, and you'll see that as the video continues.
Trying to figure out where I stay. He was kind of bugging, yeah, I thought it was a nuisance till I looked into his eyes and started seeing illusions. When they was like a bluish, grayish, they was drawing me in. I was looking stupid, standing there, I forgot the question. I was nervous, giggling, and I was laughing a lot. He said, you know it's really cute when you do that, ma. So he slipped me his number, told me tell him when we can kick it. He said, I don't know, I'm too busy handling business. He said, oh yeah, independent girl's my weakness, baby. I'm up for the challenge. what you're thinking, I believe that. Can't believe I did that. Hit him up, he read it, and he didn't even text back. Man, what a shame. Thought things were going great. Didn't even get his name, and he don't wanna blame. Yeah, that's all on him. He the type made me feel like I trust no one. Like I'm so far.
Alright, y'all, so that about wraps this video up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was gonna keep the bob straight, but I wasn't liking the way it was looking. Like this side wouldn't straighten for some reason, so I just decided to put it in a little ponytail or whatever. And you can see the little hint of lavender in it. Of course, it's not as bright as I wanted it to be, but I mean, it is what it is. Can't really be mad. But yeah, it's super cute. I really like it, and I'm liking this hairstyle on me, period. So you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below, and I will see y'all in my next video. So until next time, peace.